I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your microphone and permissions. Open both the game and system audio settings and pick the mic you'll use. Once selected, set input gain between 0, 5 and 1. 0 so commands aren't clipped or noisy. Make sure background listening is allowed for Guts and Blackpowder. Without it, voice commands won't trigger. Calibrate a quick test phrase now to verify detection. If the test misses, drop gain slightly and rerun the phrase to lock in reliable activation. Now you map phrases to actions inside the game or mod interface. You assign concise commands, 1 or 2 words, so recognition stays accurate. Choose unique starting words to avoid false positives. Once done, build separate profiles for melee, ranged, and stealth so you can switch contexts quickly. Link each profile to a hotkey. Test each mapped command in a safe environment to observe latency. If a phrase fails, change wording to a less common synonym and rebind it to the same action. Finish by refining responsiveness and adding fallbacks. You'll test voice control under realistic combat stress to catch misfires or lag. If recognition slips, tweak noise suppression and lower background processes to reduce CPU usage. Make sure your headset mic is close and aimed at your mouth. Add a hotkey fallback for critical actions so you're never stuck. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands suddenly stop, restart the game's audio engine or the voice module, then rerun a simple test phrase to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.